If anybody can help me say what type these chicks are, it would be very helpful. They doing good. Jake decided to play with my lawnmower in their new cage.
I caught a rabbit.
Now you caught my lawnmower.
No, it's a lawnmower. It's my lawnmower.
Hopefully that cage will be big enough for him. Got my 2 blueberry bushes, not doing too good. My potato plant. Here's Jake's peppers. Still doing about the same. And my other plant, potatoes ain't doing the best. Got to get out here and weed. And get something to start tying these up. And this row hadn't started coming up yet that I can see. The watermelon plant. Can't remember if these are watermelon. I think those are watermelon. And these here are my cantaloupe. They're doing okay, but they're not growing like I thought they would. My cucumber plants are not working out. I got one that still is, or 2. Looks like I got my first tomato plant starting to grow right there. Not having very good luck with this year. Or at least not yet. These are still holding on over here. They're just not getting any bigger. And these sweet pepper plants aren't doing the best either. It's been kind of hot and dry, but guess I'm gonna have to start watering a little bit more. Jake's still playing with the lawnmowers.
What? They're all terrain. Do you not see this? All terrain lawnmower.
There you have it.